Ma'am, is it a heart?
If you speak again,
Pastry walk.
Pastry walk.
Yeah, pastry walk.
Such a naughty student. Understand, guys?
Good morning, ma'am.
Why are you late today?
Ma'am, the whole universe was stopping me.
When my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean, it feels like I could drown in my tears.
Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. So, I am your new vocabulary teacher, Bhavya Kapoor. So, today I am going to teach you some words of vocabulary. So, should we start? Yes, ma'am. So, our first word is vivacious. What is? Vivacious. So, it means full of energy. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, our next word is fluke. What? Fluke. It means by luck or by chance. And our third word is cakewalk, which means very simple or very easy. It means if you are doing a thing which is very easy for you, so it means it is a cakewalk for you. So, understand, guys?
Good morning, ma'am.
Why are you late today?
Ma'am, the whole universe was stopping me. Actually, the alarm didn't ring.
Why?
I don't know, maybe it rang, but I didn't want to hurt its feeling. That's why I didn't, stop it and just enjoyed the rhythm. And I kept sleeping, but I really wanted to come here.
Acha.
Oh, very nice. Very
Can I
nice.
have a seat, ma'am?
You want to?
Yes, ma'am, I never want to miss your class. You see, I'm late but still came.
Okay, fine. Let's sit.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Right now, I am going to change the topic.
Ma'am, why he does not have his goggles? Ma'am, shade, hello.
Silence!
Ma'am, yes, the way you spoke, you have to be silent, ma'am. So loud. What are we learning, ma'am?
It's a very nice topic.
Are we going to eat something today?
No.
Okay, pizza.
No.
Yeah, pizza. Ma'am is going to
If
throw a
you
party.
want to, you can go to canteen. Okay, so our topic, just because of our
Ma'am, could you
very...
tell me that should I wear it like this? Or like I have seen it in a movie, like should I wear it like this? Just ma'am, a
Yes,
small...
you can wear, but out of the class, not in the class.
I'm so sorry. Ma'am.
Just remove it right now.
Ma'am, goggles are not allowed. Is it illegal?
Yes, in the class.
Okay, new law. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Are they allowed to be kept here?
If you speak again,
Okay,
I will
ma'am.
punish
I'm so
you.
sorry. I'm so sorry, ma'am.
Okay. So our topic is evolution of excuses for being late.
Oh my god.
Usually students make
Yeah,
like
ma'am.
you.
No, ma'am. I am very punctual.
No.
I tried. Actually.
So in the childhood, usually students make the excuses like, ma'am, it was raining,
Ma'am,
I
who
was
is this
late.
guy? I've seen him first time.
He is the new student because
Okay.
you are not punctual.
Oh.
That's why.
Okay. Mummy is looking like a gangster. I'm scared.
Why are
See-
you wearing a cap in the class?
Ma'am, chains also.
There is no sunlight here, so I have to put my change.
Put my
Why?
change.
Put my chains.
Sorry, change my dress.
This is one of the naughtiest class I have ever seen in my life.
That's so lucky, ma'am.
Why lucky?
You are the luckiest person that you are experiencing something first time.
It's not luck, it's bad luck.
Ma'am, you have lots of opportunities.
Yeah.
New students, different types of students.
No.
I know, ma'am, they
Oh.
are literally difficult to handle,
I
but
will
you
quit
will
this
not
class.
face any problem because of me.
So, you guys understand the topic?
You didn't teach anything, ma'am. How could we understand?
Topic name.
Name.
Name of the topic.
Please
So,
explain it,
in
ma'am.
childhood, usually students make the excuses like for being late, ma'am, it was raining, ma'am, I woke up very late. But now in university, students are like, ma'am, I was mentally present in the class, but my body was not. And like you, ma'am, my alarm was ringing, but I don't want to hurt its feeling.
So, am I setting an example, ma'am, in this class?
No, you are not setting an example.
I'm so feeling proud, ma'am. Like,
No,
I'm an example for so many students.
no
I'm-
one will proud of you.
Okay, ma'am. No, I'm just feeling like nobody set an example. You know?
So now, students one by
Ma'am,
one,
you
tell
ignore
me the
sometimes.
excuses you
Still, she
usually
won't
make in your childhood and now.
I was
So,
not able to find my socks.
why?
I don't know where.
That's very difficult, ma'am. Socks are
Socks are
difficult to
necessity,
find.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
You can wear shoes without socks.
Oh, ma'am, no.
Ma'am,
That's
fresh
not hygienic.
is-
Not hygienic. Ma'am, already he doesn't take showers. How is it possible? Without
It's
Last I
possible.
take 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your. Oh, I know yours.
Ma'am, this is very embarrassing. What would be the new student thinking about me?
It's on you, not on me.
Means, ma'am?
What he is thinking about you.
Oh, it's on me.
I think
Yes.
he is innocent.
Ah.
Who?
Thank you, sir.
Oh my god. So, there will be high chances that you will also very innocent like
Ma'am,
him.
why are you teaching us?
What?
Why are you teaching us?
Because it's my job.
Okay. Otherwise, you would not teach us. I mean,
Just silence!
not. Okay, ma'am.
In my childhood, there is two experiences like my homework is eaten by dog, so I have to run away to take my homework back. So that's why I'm late.
Ma'am,
Genuine.
how could he get the homework back once it is eaten already?
That's the
Is he
excuse.
bringing something in another color?
सोचने वाली बात नहीं है
Genuine question.
Oh my god.
Ma'am, this is
You
very
are the one
difficult.
who is naughtiest student in the class.
No, no, ma'am. Just imagining that he's running, it's already eaten. What is bringing back?
Teacher,
So just keep your imagination in your head.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay,
I should.
tell me your.
Actually, I was trying to find my glasses.
Okay. That's a genuine question. Oh, answer, sorry. Okay, what about you?
I never made any excuses.
Made, brother. Made. There's no word like made. Ma'am,
Please, ma'am.
see, I'm not punctual, but still, I'm so decent.
Hey, why are you constantly speaking? Just stand up.
Ma'am, what happened?
Stand up.
It was so loud, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Tell me, how can I
Okay.
help you, ma'am?
Now tell me the two. Come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me the two words which I taught.
Sorry,
this
ma'am.
class.
You did not teach any word.
I taught.
You taught, ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am, he was late.
He was not there. So
Yes,
it's not
yes.
his
That
mistake.
would be the reason.
that's his mistake, not mine.
He didn't teach.
He can ask from you.
So ma'am, something is.
Ma'am, is it a heart?
Where? From which angle? This is the
See,
heart.
ma'am.
Point, ma'am.
It's off.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
There is a late or light.
Yes, ma'am. How can
This
I
is a
help you,
fish
please?
market, not a class.
Ma'am, please.
Okay, you know the word which I
Ma'am,
taught you?
I'm busy, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, please let me know. How can I
Where
help
you
you?
want to go?
You can't understand, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I know the word. I know the word, ma'am.
So come.
Both of
Sit.
us. Ma'am, I don't want to stand
Sit.
with him. See,
Because I'm looking
I'm
for
telling you to sit.
Okay,
Okay. Write the word.
Can I write here?
Yes. Very good. Second one.
Second one, I didn't remember. I'm sorry.
So, where are you?
Now in the class.
And where's
here.
your brain?
In the class here.
I'm not able to find your brain.
Oh.
It is here. Then show me. To write another two words.
Another 2 words.
Yes.
I think it's not done because it's written like cakewalk.
It's cakewalk.
Use a brain, gangster. You're not using it.
Right.
Oh, ma'am, I don't remember. You remember?
yeah,
Yes, please.
heart.
Heart.
Oh my
The
god.
pure heart.
Pure heart.
If you speak again,
Pastry
I will
walk.
Pastry walk.
Yeah, pastry walk.
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता
नहीं गाली नहीं देना
That would be.
be such a naughty student. What
Ma'am,
are
I'm
you-
trying. I'm trying.
What?
What are you doing, ma'am?
What
What are you doing?
Or
I'm
what are
trying to
you
help
doing?
you. Help you. I'm helping you.
Why? It's my job to help you guys, not your. Then sit.
Yeah. Very good, bro.
Okay.
You started studying?
Who want to write another two words? Okay, came and write.
Who is she, ma'am?
Why do you know about she? You want to know about
Not
I heard
your
this voice
business.
first time.
You like it?
Okay, write it.
This is not something you ask in front of the teacher. Right, ma'am?
Man is ignoring, ghosting maybe.
What it
Oh,
means?
What is this?
I don't remember that.
Ah, very. Yes, nice.
Why?
Wow.
Silence! Why?
Bro,
It's my mouth, my vocal cords.
Ma'am, yeah, you are absolutely right.
exactly.
Can you shut your mouth?
Yes, ma'am.
ask again what it means?
I already told you.
Can you please repeat?
Something is very
Vivacious.
cheerful.
What is this, ma'am? Vivacious.
Vivacious, not vivacious.
Matlab, I thought, ma'am, wish was something. Wish
Your
was.
pronunciation is very bad.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I go?
Go.
Well done.
Okay.
Nice. What happened to her?
Anyone tell me the meaning of cakewalk? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Not you. Her. Very
I
good.
think I should
You
get
are
my
the
fee back.
best student.
Change the college, dear.
Okay. So it's time
Time.
to
But for recess?
no for next period.
Oh, okay.
Tanushka ma'am will take the another class. Will this class?
What did you teach, ma'am?
Ma'am,
I am going to teach the topic, but you are late.
I'm going to teach.
I was
Then-
going to teach the topic, but you are late, so I changed my topic.
I'm
And
not.
in all that case, time wasted.
Oh shit. You wasted our time.
I am wasted or you wasted?
You said, ma'am, time wasted.
Oh God.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I
Bye,
will
ma'am.
complain about.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Bye, ma'am. Be
Bye,
careful,
ma'am.
ma'am. Speak slow, ma'am.
Yes, your biggest distraction while studying. Your distraction? I'm talking to you.
Oh, I'm so
What
sorry.
is your distraction?
See, ma'am, it's a long story. Love.
Now I don't want any word from your mouth. That's it.
Your mouth.
You're also.